Hey guys, it's time to stop cutting into your expensive sewing patterns. When you cut your size out of your pattern, it limits you so you can't cut out a new size later. It also just makes it easier for your pieces to get lost and for your pattern not to last as long because it's no longer fully intact. So instead of cutting your pattern, what do? Easy Pattern Tracing Paper. This is a product by Pellon, and it's not really a paper. It's like a non-woven material that you can use for tracing, and this stuff is awesome. I'm going to show you how to use it and tell you why it's so awesome, so let's go. So this is what it looks like, and if you wanted to get any, you can head over to our website and grab some. But this is the Pellon Easy Pattern, and what we're going to do is use this to trace our size onto, then we'll cut the pieces out of this. This is really nice heavy-duty stuff. You can write on it, you can iron it, you can fold it, and it holds up so much better than the flimsy tracing paper that the patterns come with. So you're gonna love using this. I know I do. This is exactly what I use for every single one of my sewing patterns. So we're going to trace out some pieces, and it's super easy, and I'll show you how. Okay, so let's say we are going to cut out this piece. Normally we would pick our size here, so maybe we would be size 48, who knows, and then you would just start cutting this. But you can see how this is a problem because now we can't make the other sizes because we've cut out this size. And these patterns are expensive, and it would be nice to be able to use all the sizes. So we're not going to cut into it, we're going to trace it. So we're just going to take some of this Pellon Easy pattern, lay it over the piece like that. See how easy it is to see through it. And then you can place some objects on it as pattern weights. You can also take some pins and pin to your pattern so it doesn't move. Then we'll just take a regular pen or pencil and we'll find that line. Here's our 48. And we'll just start tracing along that. This only takes a few minutes and it will save your pattern, and it's actually kind of a satisfying process. It lets you get familiar with all the pieces you're going to be working with. So I like to trace it out and then make sure you get any important markings like your grain line or any of those little registration points, and then you might just want to write on this maybe like size 48 and what this item is, the collar, piece 1. Okay, there's that. And then we can begin cutting this out. So you can see we will now have our pattern templates ready to go to place onto our fabric to cut out, but our original pattern is still intact. Okay, well, I hope that was helpful for you. I hope that you are able to now preserve more of your patterns because you know about the Pellon Easy Pattern. So get you some of this easy pattern tracing material and start saving your patterns and keeping them nice for longer. I hope that was helpful. If so, please do give my video a like. I really appreciate that. If you would like to head over to my website and buy some of this, you can get it there, shoppendrop.com. And if you're into this kind of thing, sewing deep dives, tutorials, and stuff like that, please subscribe to our channel. We put out a new video every week and it's all about sewing. So thank you so much again for being here with me today, and happy sewing.